Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make dispersion effect in Photoshop. Hello there, I am Sabrina and you are watching Magnus channel. If you are new on this channel, make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon for more new upcoming videos. First of all, press Ctrl+O to select the image, and press Open. Pick the Quick Selection tool and select the man. After selecting the man, press Select and Masking button. Select the Hair Refine tool to refine the edges of the hairs. And press OK. Now press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate of this layer. Delete the background layer by pressing Delete button on your keyboard. Now pick the Crop tool to extend the size of the frame. Adjust the size of the image according to your preference. Change the name if you want to change, and it's not necessary at all. Select the gradient under the solid color. Press the arrow and click on Basic, and select the third box. Change the style to radial. Check Reverse option to reverse the effect. Change the scale to 243 and press OK. Change the location of gradient fill layer to bottom. Now make a duplicate of this layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now change the name of the second layer to Liquify. Click on the Filter option and press Liquify. Or you can also press the shortcut key on your keyboard, Shift plus Control plus X. Pick Forward Warp tool. Brush it over the man. Now make a mask on the liquify layer. Make another mask on modal layer by pressing Alt and click on Mask. Select brush, right-click and select the brush. If you do not have this brush, then I have given the link below in description. Change the shape about your preference. Select the black color in white mask and white color in black mask. Brush on the back of the man. This will erase the man where you will use brush. Now select the second layer and pick the white color. Change the brush size and make it big. Now the picture is done. If you learned something new from this video, you are free to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. I will meet you in my next video, so till now keep practicing to be pro in your life.